Umfundi waseThekwini otyholwa ngokungcungcuthekisa ngahl'asiwe kwiziko loluleko labantu abaselula okuthethwe lisebe lezemfundo KwaZulu Natal.
Umfundi wesinye sezikole zaseThekwini oneminyaka engu-19 owenza ugrade 11 kuthiwa uhlalisele ubhojozi abafundi, othisha kanye nothishanhloko kule sikole. Kuthiwa isikole sazisa abazali bakhe ukuthi ngeke bakwazi ukwamamkela kulonyaka. Kodwa abazali bakhe bafika bemlethe esikoleni bephoqa ukuthi athathwe. Ngemuva kwengxabano nothishanhloko bamuhambisa eklasini. Uthishanhloko wavula icala lokushawa emaphoyiseni.
So they threatened the principal first, undermined the principal, never went through that process, went into a classroom and actually physically placed the pupil in the class.
Namuhla abazali abangahambisani nalokhu babhikishe esangweni lesikole.
Concern is safety for our kids, and the environment needs to be conducive to learning.
Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni uthi ububhokolo abuvumelekile ezikoleni.
We'll do anything and everything to ensure that we protect our learners, and in this case we'll ensure that we isolate the particular learner and ensure that we obviously, after having consulted with the social workers, we will arrive at a decision.
Umhlangano ophuthumayo phakathi kwabazali, othisha kanye nomnyango uhlelwe ukuba kusasa ntambama. Londe Khatebe, SABC News eThekwini.